أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله ولو كره المشركون. Dear listener, Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to the earth along with numerous mujiza. One of the mujiza is follows. One day a group of people came to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They asked Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to prove his risalat upon him. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam eagerly said to them, "If I can prove my risalat, will you accept Islam?" They said, "We will consider the matter later on." Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam noticed that there was a child with them. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to them, "What is the age of the child?" They answered, 14 days only. 14 days only. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam requested them to hand over the child to him. He said to the child, "Oh sweet baby, oh my sweet baby, tell who I am." The child at once smiled and said, "You are Prophet and Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam." The child at once smiled and said, "You are Prophet and Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam." The group of people became astonished and they instant accepted Islam. Dear listeners, we must lead our life by following the Holy Quran sent by Allah and Sunnah of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.